Dear students, see last time we solved exercise numericals of lesson number 4. See today in the concluding part we will complete that. Now see our example, exercise sum number 4.20. Now see the position vector of the particle is given by 3I minus 2t square plus 4k meter. Okay. See the position vector is given as 3I minus 2t square plus k meter. Okay. See r is distance is in meter. Displacement vector is that is in meter. T is time inside. See two things we have to find out. First, velocity v and acceleration a. And the second part, we have to find out magnitude and direction of velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds. Here, r is a position vector, that is 3t minus 2t square plus k caret. Okay, it is 4k caret. Okay, see we have to find out velocity and acceleration. Now see r is okay. Now we know the first derivative of displacement gives the velocity. So v is equal to dr by dt. T derivative is 1. Now recall our equation of the derivative. T square derivative is 2t and derivative of constant term is 0. See here there is no term with t, so derivative will be 0. Here 3 is constant, t derivative is 1. I minus 2 is constant, t square derivative is 2t. See the derivative of constant is 0. So this is 3I minus 4t j caret. See this is the equation of the velocity. Okay, this is the equation of the velocity. Now next is acceleration. Acceleration is the second derivative of the displacement. Okay, or we can say acceleration is dv by dt. Now here 3I, so there is no term with t, so derivative is 0. Minus 4, t derivative is 1. So acceleration is minus 4j caret. Okay, see the negative sign shows it a retardation and j caret show acceleration is in y direction. Now see the second part of the question, magnitude and direction of the velocity at 2 seconds. Now see what we have obtained. Okay, now t is equal to 2 seconds. So v is equal to 3I minus okay, 3I minus 8j. Okay, now see the okay. Nine plus 64. See this is the magnitude of the velocity. Now the direction. See the velocity is a vector quantity, so we can write v is equal to vxi plus vyj. Now see what is vx here. If I write like this 3I, see vx value is 3 and vy is 8. Now tan theta is vy upon vx will show the direction. Okay, this is how we can direction. By taking the help of tangent, natural tangent, we can obtain the value of the angle also. So this is nothing but our exercise sum number 4.20. Now next is exercise sum number 4.21. Okay, that is very important, can be asked in a 4-mark question. See that is also related to motion in 2 dimension. Okay, now see the question. See a particle start from origin. See the particle start from the origin. That means the initial position vector, that is r0 is 0. Okay. Now see the initial velocity. v0 is tan j. See this is indicating that it is in the y direction. And the acceleration is a type plus 2j meter per second square. So position vector given, initial position vector, see it is starting from origin, so that's why r0 is 0. Initial velocity is tan j meter per second and acceleration. Now see, we have to find out at what time x component will be equal to 16 meter. Okay, at what time the x component will be 0. Now see our equation, r minus r0, that is displacement is v0t plus half at square. Okay. Now what is value of v0? That is tan j. Acceleration is 8I plus 2j t square. Now see this we can write as tan t j caret. 8 upon 2 is 4 t square into I caret. Now 2 upon 2 is 1 t square j caret. Now what we can see here, there are two terms. There are two terms with the j caret and I caret, there is only one term. So and r0 is 0, that is given to us. So r0 is 0, so that's why it will become r. See, we write the first term with I caret. Why? Because we have to arrange in the form of r is equal to x I caret plus y j caret, that is 4t square I caret. Now see the term with j caret is tan t plus t square. See what we have done? We have arranged in terms of x I caret plus y j caret. So if I separate the component part, see I get x is equal to 4t square and y is equal to tan t plus t square. Now see our question. At what time the x component will be equal to 16 meter? So x component will be 16 meter at time t is equal to 2 seconds. Now what will be the corresponding y component? Y is tan t plus t square. So 10 into 2. So what do this indicate? See when x is equal to, x becomes 16 meter, see the y component will be 24 meter. Now we can see again, see the particle start from the origin. So r0 is 0, initial velocity is tan j meter per second, acceleration is 8I plus 2j meter per second square. The question says at what time x is equal to 16 meter. Now see our equation. Okay, r minus r0 is v0 t plus half at square. v0 is tan j t plus 1 by 2 a is 8I plus 2j. Now see this I can write tan t into j caret. See 8 upon 2 t square, that is 4t square. 2 upon 2 will be 1 t square into j caret. So see there is only one component with I caret, that is 4t square, and with y component tan t plus t square. So this is how we have separated. Now x is equal to 4t square, our equation. X is equal to 16 meter is given, so we can obtain the value of t and the corresponding value of y at that time. Now see, we have to find out the magnitude of the velocity. We have to find out the magnitude of the velocity. Now see our equation, r has become 4t square I caret plus tan t plus t square. See this we have obtained here. Now velocity is the first derivative of displacement. So v is equal to dr by dt. 4t square derivative is 2t. Tan t derivative is 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, so our equation has become like this. Now see the time is 2 seconds. Okay, plus okay, that is 16I. Okay, so your equation has become 16I plus 14j caret. Now this we can write as Vxi plus Vyj. So x component of the velocity is 16 and y component is 14. Now see the magnitude of the velocity. Okay, so this you can calculate is, now this is a very important numerical, can be asked in a 4 mark. See again, R we have obtained, we have to find out time for the component where it was 16 meter. From that we have to obtain the value of the velocity. Now see R we have obtained is 4t square I caret plus 10t plus t square. Now velocity is dr by dt 4, t square derivative is 2t, t is constant, t derivative is 1, t square derivative is 2t. Now time is, this has become 8t plus 10 plus 2t j caret. Now see the time is 2 seconds that we have obtained here. Now if I substitute 8 into 2 is 16. Now if I substitute 2 here, it will be 14 j caret. Okay, so the x component is 16 and y component is 14. So if I find out the magnitude of the velocity, see that I get as a 21.26 meter per second. So this is nothing but exercise sum number 4.21. Now see the next is exercise sum number 4.22. Okay, now see, we know the I caret is a unit vector in x direction. Y direction. Okay. Now suppose the vector is A is I plus j. B vector is I say I minus j. Okay. First part of the question is we have to find out the magnitude and direction of these two vectors. Okay. Now see A is I plus j, so the magnitude of A now the direction tan theta is y upon x. See here, x and y both are positive. See, recall upon our Cartesian coordinate. See here, x and y both are positive. Okay, tan theta is 1. See, we get value is 45 meter. Sorry, 45 and degree. Okay, that is in the first part. Now see the second, B is I minus j. Okay, now see the magnitude is root 2. Now the direction, tan theta is y upon x. See, theta is 45 degree. Okay. But see the y component is here negative, x is positive, so that will be in the fourth quadrant. You can write like this, 45 degree in fourth quadrant. Or see the angle will be like this. Okay, now if I want to calculate angle with the positive x-axis, see will be like this. So it will be 180 minus 45, that is 135, okay, with positive x-axis. See, both answers are correct. Okay, but see, if you write like this, you have to mention it is the 45 degree is in the fourth quadrant, or we can say it is 135 degree with the positive x-axis. Okay, this is the first part of the question. Now see the second part of the question says, let us say vector A is 2i plus 3j. Okay, now this one is interesting. We have to find out component of vector A in direction of I plus j. Okay, now for simplicity, let us say I say A is C is I plus j. See what we have seen earlier. Component of vector in any direction is equal to product of magnitude of the vector and cosine of the angle made with the direction. So here, suppose I say A dot C is AC cos theta. Okay, here see the component of A in direction of C is A cos theta by the definition. Okay, so I can write, we are just rearrange the terms. So what this A cos theta will become A dot C upon C. Now see recall the properties of the scalar product. A is AXI plus AYJ. Let us say C is CXI plus CYJ. Okay, now A dot C will be AX CX AY CY. Okay, right now it is in 2 dimension, so we should not worry like this, we should write like this. Okay, now what is AX CX? AX is 1, CX is 1, 3, CY is. Okay, now it is 2i plus 3j. Okay, now see I have obtained the value of numerator, that is A dot C. Now see what is the magnitude of vector C. C is I plus j. Okay, see A component of vector I plus 3j in direction that is I plus j is A cos theta. Okay, now see the value which we have obtained, we can substitute here. See, this is A cos theta. A dot C is 5. See, that will be our answer. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, now secondly we have to find out component of vector 2i plus 3j in direction of D. Okay, now we can proceed by the similar method. So A dot D AD cos theta. Okay, A dot D is AD cos theta. Now we have to find out A cos theta again, that is A dot D upon A. Okay, now by the same reasoning, see 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Okay, and what is the magnitude of the vector D? See, the D is I minus j. Okay, so A cos theta we can find out. See, this is a component of in direction of. Okay, D, there is I minus j. So it will be minus 1 upon. Okay, so this is how we can solve. So this is about exercise sum number 4.22. Now see, we have covered most of the exercise numerical. See, some theory part are there that we can discuss in the classroom. Now, see, I would like to take some MCQ which are very important. Okay, now we take some MCQ which are very important. Okay, that will give the idea. Why? Because see, our NCERT textbook, they have not given MCQ, but see, by knowing the concept or the formulas, we can solve. Now see, one of the MCQ is like this. Let us say A is 2y minus 3j plus 3j minus k, and B is 4i okay. Find out now. See, there are different methods. See, what we see here is 2y plus 3j minus k. See, what I see is a 2 is a factor of all this term in the vector B. So if I take 2 common, so this has become 2y plus 3j minus k. So what this has become? B is equal to 2a. Okay, that means this is vector A. What do this indicate? See, these are parallel vectors. So we can write they are parallel vectors. Okay, another method by finding out the angle. So see, the formula cos theta is A dot B upon okay. Now first the scalar product A dot B, numerator part 2 into 4 plus 3 into 6 okay. Now see the magnitude of A, 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 1 whole square. Okay, root 14. Now magnitude of B, 2 square plus 3 square 4 square. Okay, now okay, so this will be root 56. Now if I substitute okay, 56 is 28 into 2, 2 times. Okay, now see cos theta is 1. Okay, so recall our table of the trigonometric ratio. Okay, now see this angle is 0. Okay, now cos 0 is 1. Okay, so we can write cos theta is 1, cos theta is cos 0, theta is 0. Okay, theta is 0 means these two are A and B are parallel. Okay, see, in 1 mark MCQ you would not like to do this much longer method. See, then we have to analyze the question. So what we have done, what I observed that if I take 2 common, it is similar to A only. So that is B is equal to 2A. That means it is a parallel vector. So this is how we can solve. Now see our next question. Now see the coordinate of a particle x is equal to alpha t square. Okay, now this is a again see 2-dimensional motion. See the coordinate of a particle x is equal to alpha t square, y is equal to beta t square. See, we have to find out the magnitude of the velocity. Now see, velocity is vxi plus vyj for 2 dimension. Now see the dx by dt will give the dx. Alpha is constant, t square derivative is 2. Okay. Now dy by dt, beta is constant, t square is 2. Okay. Now if I substitute here, see the magnitude of the velocity is okay. See vx and vy. If I substitute here, see what I say. Can see here 2t is common. Alpha square plus b square. Exam, you might be given value of alpha and beta also, t value also. Get value of t also, so you can find out the magnitude of the velocity. Okay. Now, next MCQ, let us say related to some projectile motion. See, the question says for which angle of projection, range and height okay, HM okay, or simply write H of become equal. See here given, you can write H also, no issue. So range of the projectile is V0 square sin 2 theta upon G, V0 square sin square theta upon G. Now V0 square is cancelled, G is also cancelled. Now see sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now this we can write as 2 sin theta cos theta upon okay, is equal to sin square theta. I can write sin theta into sin theta. Just as x square we can write as x into x upon 2. See, one of the sign also will get cancelled. See the 4 cos theta is sin theta. Sin theta upon see, depending on what is the option in your MCQ, theta is tan inverse 4. Yeah, theta is tan inverse 4. So this is how we can solve. Now, this is our MCQ number 3. Now, see, next MCQ. See, the projectile is projected with angle theta is 25. Here that is angle of projection. Now the question is for which angle of projection range will be equal. Let us say theta 1 is 25. Theta 2 we have to find out for which the range will be equal. Now we have seen in the theory, see whenever sum of the angle of projection is 90 degree, the range is same. So then the range become equal. Okay, so when the angle of projection is 65, range will be equal. Remember this as a formula, okay, for when sum of the angle of projection is 90 degree, see the range will be equal. Now next one. Now let us say see a person is standing here, he fires the bullet in different directions like this. Okay, so let us say this forms a circle. Okay, we have to find out what will be the maximum area covered on a circular path. Suppose I consider this as a circle. See, the person standing will be the center. Let us say radius is r. Okay, what will be the area covered by this circle? We have to find out area of this circle. Now, see, he can fire the bullet in at different angle. Okay, but we have seen in the theory of projectile motion, when angle of projection is 45, the range is maximum. Now, range formula is v0 square sine 2 theta upon g. Now, see, for theta is equal to 90. Sorry, theta is 45, 2 theta is 90, sine 2 theta is sine 90 is 1, so r. Now this is nothing but radius of the circle. Okay, and what is the area of the circle? Area is pi r square. Okay, that is pi v0 upon g square. So that is a maximum area covered. See, one more question related to two-dimension motion. Now see, the particle, component of particle y is a function of time is given as 8t minus 5t square. And x is equal to 60. Okay, see, x and y are distance in meter. Okay, and t is time. Okay, what is the initial velocity? See, whenever it is given initial velocity, we have to understand the time is t is equal to 0. Now what we do first? Find out the equation of the velocity. Now see, this will give us dy by dt. dy, that is 8, t derivative is 1, minus 5. Okay, now see, and dx by dt. 6 is constant, t derivative is 1. Okay, now we can write the equation of velocity. Okay, we are being asked initial velocity. Okay, that is time is t0. See, here there is no term with t. Okay, now see the magnitude of velocity. This is nothing but our vxi plus vyj. So the magnitude of velocity is 6 square plus 8 square. Now this is again a Pythagoras triplet. Okay, so the initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay, so today we have taken some MCQ also. We have completed exercise numericals. See, one more lecture we will have a practice of MCQ and then we'll proceed for the next lesson. Thank you.